How to make your breath fresh. 1. Brush your teeth. When you brush your teeth, do it for at least 2 minutes to ensure that your teeth and mouth are fully clean. 2. Floss your teeth. While brushing your teeth can help freshen your breath, it's a good idea to follow up with some floss. 3. Scrape your tongue. Even if you brush and floss your teeth, foul-smelling bacteria can still linger on your tongue. 4. Rinse with mouthwash. When you're done brushing and flossing your teeth, it's a good idea to use mouthwash. 5. Eat a mint. If you need fresh breath in a hurry, a mint is the go-to solution. 6. Chew sugar-free gum after you eat. Just like a breath mint, a piece of gum can freshen your breath quickly, and temporarily. 7. Drink plenty of water. Drinking water can help wash the food residue and bacteria away so your breath stays fresh no matter what you're eating and drinking. 8. Give up tobacco. Whether you smoke cigarettes, cigars, or a pipe or chew tobacco, the habit can leave you with stale or bad breath. 9. Stay away from pungent foods. Avoid pungent foods, such as garlic, onions, cabbage, and certain spices, that can leave a strong odor behind. 10. Limit your coffee and alcohol intake. Coffee and alcohol can leave a strong scent behind in your mouth. Thanks for and don't forget to subscribe.